There is a Hyundai display in the middle. So we are here at SM Megamall Fashion Mall. Hail Mallrat, we are here at SM Megamall Fashion Mall, and apparently there is a Hyundai display in the middle. It's running from around August to end of August. Let's check it out.
Push the limits of what you can reach. There's nothing you
Well, There you go, Mallrats. That was the Hyundai display here at SM Megamall Fashion Mall, August 2025. Cool cars, some hybrid electric ones, cool Elantra in the middle, in front. That's about it. You guys know what to do if you like the video. Please like. Whoops. See you guys in the next videos. Mallrat out. Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.